How to use Betterment Charitable Giving Investment app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Betterment Charitable Giving feature is one of the smartest ways to combine investing and philanthropy, but most people don't use it to its full advantage. Here's how to get it right. The first mistake is donating cash instead of appreciated assets. When you donate investments that have grown in value, you avoid capital gains tax and still get a full deduction for the market value. It's one of the most tax-efficient ways to give. The second mistake is waiting until the end of the year. Charitable giving works best when it's planned. Set up automatic contributions throughout the year to spread out your giving and maintain steady tax benefits. And now their error: not linking your giving goals with your investment strategy. Betterment lets you set separate portfolios for donations. You can choose risk levels based on when you plan to give. Short-term giving: stick to conservative assets. Long-term: choose a growth portfolio. Pro tip: review your donation history inside the app annually. It makes tax reporting much easier. And here's the surprising truth: you can grow your investments and make an impact at the same time. Used properly, Betterment Charitable Giving helps you support the causes you care about while building wealth responsibly. A win for your portfolio and the world.